Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to get Google services and Google Apps on your HUAWEI Mate X7. Okay, as you can see right here, there's the HUAWEI, and to begin, you'll need to get to AppGallery. Let's click on Next and Agree. I'll skip additional apps because I'm opening that for the first time. And what you need to do is search for an app named MicroG. Now you'll find MicroG service. Just click on Install. Then click on Install here. It will also install the MicroG companion besides MicroG service. Let's make sure it's also installed. Yes, it is. Now let's go back to MicroG service. I'll click on it. It's installing currently. Now we can open it. Let's click on it. Now we have quite a few settings here. We need to go to Google Accounts, then click on Add Google Account, then Sign In, and you need to sign in to your Google account. So let's do it right now. I'll enter the password and get back to you. Okay, now let's agree to the terms of service. Let's wait a moment, and as you can see, I'm signed in. Now, what you need to do is, there's many methods of doing that, but my recommended one is downloading Aurora Store. This is something very similar to the Play Store, where you can find all the apps and just install them. In order to do it, go to a browser. Okay, let's select the country or region. Now search for Aurora Store. Now we'll get to the F-Droid website, as you can see right here. Click on it and open it. Now, when you want to scroll down, don't download F-Droid. That will download F-Droid app, and we need to download the Aurora. Now the problem is that I have noticed that this version 73 doesn't work properly. For some reason the search bar doesn't work, so I would recommend getting an older version. I don't really remember which one of these, but I'll get the 71. It's still going to be fine, and if not, I can just get the 72. You can see version something, and there's 72 or 71 in parentheses. Now I'll select the 71. You can see there's download APK, then click on download here. Now it is downloading and it gets me to installation. Make sure that check apps from external sources to detect potential risks before installation. It can be selected or not, doesn't matter. Click on allow. That is important to click on allow here. It is now performing that security check, and we can click on install. Installation was successful, so let's open. Now click on next, then installer permission. You need to click on grant, then grant it here and go back. Then external storage manager, click on grant, enable it and go back. Then click on allow and you can see it's granted. You can also add optional background downloads. So if you leave Aurora Store, it's still downloading or updating in the background. I'll do that, but you may need to disable battery optimization for it. So if you don't want to disable that, you can just leave it not granted, but you will need to have Aurora Store open as you are trying to download something. You can't leave during downloading or updating apps. I'll grant it. Then there's app links. I'll disable and enable it and go back and then click on finish. Now select Google, select the account that you have logged in and click on OK. Now click on allow. And as you can see, we are in the store. It looks exactly like Play Store and you can download literally anything. Let's try to find something that I may want to have. Yeah, let's also see if search works, because that is important. Here's the search bar. Let's see if it works. I'll do I think that app should, it's not available on Android, I think. Okay, I'll do maybe Mi Home. Okay, you can see it is there. Search works. You can click on install to install that app. Also here, YouTube works, because without it, YouTube won't work without MicroG companion. So you can download YouTube, all the Google apps, including Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Photos, anything else. You can see it is downloading. It could download in the background since I granted the permission. And now it gets me automatically here. I can just click on install on this screen and then open. And you can see Xiaomi Home was just opened. Let's do region. And it works. You can see here are the apps. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.